Oh, what's up? My name's Joey from K-State. Welcome to my apartment.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, hey, it's boy Lil Jon. Lil Jon. Pick your meat, click. What's up, phony? What's happening? What's up?
What's up, dude? Should we make some dinner tonight? What's up, guys? How's it going? My name's Joey.
I'm Danny.
And today, we're going to show you how to fancy up your mac and cheese. Step 1. Clean kitchen. This is disgusting, mate.
I would never film this. Second step, we're doing chicken. So we got some pan-fried chicken going. Just 2 breasts. 2 guys, 2 breasts.
Danny boy knows what he's doing. That's why I'm letting him cook tonight. On an expert meal like this, I only trust him for mac and cheese. Start the night by having a box of mac and cheese ready, 2 chicken breasts, and a stove. Start by boiling your mac and cheese. Grilling your chicken breast for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium to high heat, while cooking to a crispy golden brown. You'll then take it off the stove, cut it whatever way you prefer, and let Mother Nature do the rest. Once your mac and cheese and chicken is cut up, prepare your meal and enjoy. Fire. How is it, Danny?
Pretty damn good.
Well, guys, I would say the end result was good. Positive. Not much left. Well, all, I hope you enjoyed my video. The best thing about this meal is it's cheap to make and almost anyone can do it. I'm satisfied. It was cheap. It was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Take it easy.